Hey y'all. Welcome back. Let me see. Let me show my camera, my face in the camera. Welcome back to Zeke's Kitchen on a Saturday. Listen to me, some Clark sisters. Y'all know about this one? Never let a day go by and I realize, hey, if it had not been for the Lord that was on your side, back was against the wall, he looked out for me. Anyway, yeah, I'm cooking me some lamb chops today. My first time really cooking lamb chops. I've eaten them, but I never cooked them. So, let's see what they look like. I've got them smothering. Wait, hold up. And put my phone down. Hold up. Wait a minute. Put my mitten on. Okay. Let's see what we got here. We're about to look at this together. I did it in a gravy. Let's see. Ooh. Smell good. Hold up. Let me put this top over here. Put this top. I probably got this camera going everywhere. But look at here, y'all. That is make sure my camera on it. Hold up. Wait. There we go. My smothered lamb chops. Let me take the skillet. Yeah, buddy. Lord, that was on my side. Let's see if they tender enough. Oh yeah, baby. Is the camera in there? Let me show the camera in there. Look, y'all, I ain't trying to get no cooking show. I'm just showing y'all that I did me some lamb chops. This some expensive ass meat too. Oh, Lord, the gospel on. I didn't mean that playing gospel and cussing. But yeah, these are my lamb chops. I got them smothered down in a good gravy. Y'all see that? I'm gonna eat this at the wall with a salad and a nice glass of red wine. Bon appetit, baby. Told y'all. I just don't know how to bake. My mama taught me well. Yeah, let me see if they tender. Wait, let's stick my fork to it. Yeah, buddy. Yeah. Don't you know that he kept me? What the devil meant for evil, God turned it around. There we go, y'all. There go my lamb chops. Let me give y'all another look at them right quick. Hold up. Make sure I'm over the pot. There they go. They smothered and ready to take in my stomach. And Lord, I'm cooking with a white shirt on, which is something I didn't realize it was white till my camera told me it was white. But I got a question for painters out there. Why painters painting all white? I never got the concept. Why you wear all white to paint? I don't know. If there's any painters out there, please help the blind man out and let me know. Because I never asked why I was seeing why painters paint in white. All right, listen to a little clock says, if it wasn't for the blood, it could have been me. Yeah, it should have been me. It would have been me if it wasn't for the blood. Let me start like that soprano stuff. All right, see y'all later. I'm finna chop down my lamb chops. Bye.